Just making a quick video on how to remove this cover here in order to get to the window regulators and the stuff in the back. So of course, once you remove the front panel, there's a bunch of videos on how to remove the front panel, then you're gonna come and see this, right? They don't have videos on how to remove this. Well, it's pretty simple. You're gonna have a bunch of screws that come all around, and you're gonna remove all those. They're about 8 millimeters. Then you're gonna have speaker screws, 3 screws here. You're gonna remove. Now, the hard part, it still will not come off. This will not come off unless you remove 2 8 millimeter screws. One is here, but you're gonna have to come right under this way and unscrew it, right? Ford. And then the other one is here. Same thing, you're gonna have to come under and over the top of this glass piece, under this black metal piece here, in that corner, it'll be sitting a screw right there. They're about 8 millimeters, so I believe they're about this long. I believe these are the ones. I got so many screws back here, but either this 8 millimeter one or the shorter one. It really doesn't matter. It's one or the other. But anyways, then you'll have 3 screws here. You'll have to remove, and then when you get this finally off, don't think you're there yet. You're gonna have to unclip all this. You're gonna have to unclip this and this, and of course remove the speaker wire and these 3 screws. And then once you get here, there's gonna be a connector right there. It's just a clip connector that plugs in. You'll have to unclip that as well. Other than that, man, you guys should be fine. Don't worry about it too much. Till next time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow. Catch you guys next time. Also, when you assemble it back, the best way to do it is go under here. I just forgot to show you guys this, but I'm gonna show it real quick. See, you can grab this plate for the window and unscrew that one and unscrew the one on the left, which if you drag it all the way down, see that one? That way the whole plate can attach directly to this surface, and that way you'll just be able to unscrew or screw back on these 2 screws that go in here very easily. The whole back plate is connected to that parallel rod, and yeah, just unscrew these 2, unscrew that one, and of course on the other side there's one here once you remove this. But yeah, once you remove it initially, you do have to come underneath here and remove these 2 screws in order to remove this. Okay.